Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create your Apple account in your iPhone. So you may face that problem that you cannot create an account that time, and you may face that issue and just pop up when you're creating your Apple ID account, and you may face that problem. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create that Apple account in step by step. First of all, you just have to just go to settings and just go to back and just go to the main interface of your settings, and just like that I'm gonna sign in my account. So you simply just have here you see that you just have to select a sign in and sign, and near just see that there is an option a sign up, just sign up your account. So you may face that problem that when you sign up and they say that you cannot create Apple account, Apple ID that time, simply just have to just go back and simply just have to just go to the Safari and simply just go to the new tab and just simply search Apple sign up, just like that, and just search it and see that there is an option Apple iCloud. Just tap on that and simply just see that you just have to just type a sign in and just cross it, and they saying that just sign in with my currently account. Simply just see that there's an option create Apple account, just tap on that, and here you just fill your details of your personals and just continue, and your account gonna create. And simply after creating your account, just verify it and just going to the settings of your iPhone and just sign in here. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.